Good afternoon, all of you. Today topic is corrosion and its factors influencing the rate of corrosion. Definition of corrosion: the slow and gradual disintegration of metal due to its environment is called corrosion. Factors influence the rate of corrosion. First one, position of metal in the electrochemical series or nature of metal. The rate of corrosion is directly proportional to the reactivity of metals. The reactivity of metals decreases from top to bottom in the electrochemical series. Hence, rate of corrosion also decreases in the same sequence. The metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are more reactive and easily undergoes to corrosion, so the rate of corrosion is high for these metals. The metals like iron, silver, platinum, etc. are less reactive and rate of corrosion is less for these metals. Next, purity of metal. Impure metal undergoes corrosion. The rate of extent of corrosion increases with the amount of impurities in the metals. So, pure metal is more resistant to corrosion than an impure metal. This topic, pure metals does not easily undergoes to the corrosion, that impure metals easily undergoes to the corrosion. For example, iron contains impurities because it is easily undergoes to the corrosion. The steel metal is do not contain impurities because it slowly undergoes to the corrosion. Physical state of metal, grain size, stress, orientation of crystals influence the rate of corrosion. The smaller the grain size of metal, greater will be its corrosion. The stressed areas undergoes to the corrosion easily. The metal containing stressed area and unstressed area, the stressed parts easily undergoes to the corrosion. The unstressed parts are slowly corrosion undergoes to the corrosion. Nature of corrosion products. If the corrosion product is soluble in the coating medium or evolved as a gas, then corrosion proceeds at a faster rate. On the other hand, if the corrosion product is insoluble or acts as protective coating for the further corrosion, example, aluminum surface is oxidized and the oxide layer acts as protective coating for the inner metal. Fifth one, impurities in the atmosphere. The presence of corrosive gases like CO2, H2O, SO2, HCl, H2SO4 increases the rate of corrosion. These gases or acids present in the atmosphere, the rate of corrosion increases. Most probably, industrial area containing more gases because industries iron parts are easily undergoes to the corrosion. Humidity of air. The corrosion of a metal becomes faster in humid atmosphere. This is because the CO2, oxygen and vapors furnish water to the electrolyte which is essential for setting up the electrochemical seal. In atmosphere, more humidity, the rate of corrosion increases. Less humidity, the corrosion rate or decreases. In winter season, atmosphere containing more humidity, the corrosion rate increases. In summer season, the atmosphere containing less humidity because the corrosion rate decreases. The effect of pH. The rate of corrosion in more acid media, that is the pH containing 7, the rate of corrosion increases than in alkali. Alkali means basic media or less of corrosion, and neutral means 7 and 8. The neutral media also less corrosion. Temperature. Corrosion is a chemical process. The rate of chemical reaction increases with temperature. Hence, as temperature increases, the rate of corrosion increases. Mainly, corrosion is the chemical phenomena. This chemical phenomena involve oxide or hydride coatings in metal surface. Metals are highly reactive elements and hence easily react with different reagent and forms their corresponding compounds. Metals are used in different forms in different fields. When metals are used in various forms, they are exposed to environment. The exposed metal surfaces begin to decay more or less rapidly when they come in contact with gases and or liquid environment. This decay of metal is called corrosion. In other words, destruction or deterioration of the metal starts at the surfaces, but its losses are enormous. It is estimated that the losses due to the corrosion of pipes, auto spares, machinery parts, building materials, etc., are around 2 to 2.5 billion dollars per annum all over the world. Hence, an engineer must understand the mechanism of corrosion and its controlling methods. Definition of corrosion: the slow and gradual disintegration of a metal due to its environment is called corrosion. Gradual disintegration means slow damage. The metal starts damage. This is called disintegration. When the environment containing more number of gases like CO2, H2S, SO2, HCl and H2SO4. Whenever a metal is exposed to the environment, it reacts with the active agents like O2, CO2, H2O, etc. and form compounds like oxides, hydroxides, etc. This type of metallic destruction may be due to direct chemical attack or electrochemical attack. Rusting of iron, tranching of silver, and gold ornaments are the example of corrosion. In this factors influence the rate of corrosion mainly depend on electrochemical series. The metal which is occupy the higher position in electrochemical series, it is more reactive metal and easily undergoes to the corrosion. The metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, these are more reactive metals and occupy the higher position in electrochemical series. So the rate of corrosion is high for these metals. The metals like gold, silver, platinum are less reactive. These metals are occupy the lower position in electrochemical series because the rate of corrosion is less for these metals. Next, second one, purity. Purity means the metal which is containing high purity, it undergoes slowly corrosion. The metal which is less purity, it is easily undergoes to the corrosion. Then next, physical state of the metal, grain size, stress, orientation, these three properties containing high, the metal physical state is high, it is undergoes less corrosion. Grain size, stress or orientation is less, the physical state of the metal is low because it easily undergoes to the corrosion. Nature of corrosion products. If the corrosion products is soluble in the coating medium or evolved as a gas, then corrosion proceeds at a faster rate. On the other hand, if the corrosion product is insoluble or act as protective coating, reduces the further corrosion. Aluminium surface is oxidized and the oxide layer acts as protective coating for the inner metal. Impurities in the atmosphere. The presence of corrosive gases like CO2, H2S, H2S, SO2, HCl, H2SO4, etc. These gases are present in atmosphere. The increases rate of corrosion. In industrial area, the industries released more gases. This type of gases released in atmosphere. In that area, the corrosion rate also increases. Then humidity of air, the corrosion rate increases, the humidity present in the atmosphere, it increases. The humidity less, the corrosion rate also less. Effect of pH, the rate of corrosion is increases in acidic media, that is 7, and the alkali and neutral media is less. Temperature, corrosion is a chemical process. The rate of chemical reaction increases with temperature. Hence, as temperature increases, the rate of corrosion increases. Electrochemical theory of corrosion. This theory was introduced by Whitney. Metals are electropositive in character, that is, they have tendency to lose electrons. According to this theory, corrosion is an electrochemical process or electrochemical corrosion. This type of corrosion occurs due to electrochemical process resulting from galvanic cell set up between two dissimilar metals or two dissimilar parts of the same metal. In this galvanic cells, current electrons flows through the conducting medium from anode to cathode. At anodic area, oxidation of metal, liberation of electrons takes place, so anodic metal is destroyed. Hence, corrosion always occurs at anodic areas. At cathodic area, reduction, gain of electrons takes place. The dissolved constituents of the conducting medium like H plus, H2O and O2 accept the electrons to form ions like OH minus, O minus 2. The metal ions formed at anode and non-metals ions formed at cathode diffuse towards each other through the conducting medium and form the corresponding product. Next topic is methods of prevention of corrosion. The metals attacked corrosion. How to prevent this? Methods of prevention of corrosion. There is heavy loss of metal in the world due to corrosion. It is essential that the corrosion be eliminated in order to prevent this heavy loss. It is not possible to prevent the corrosion, but it can be minimized or controlled to same extent. As the corrosion is a surface property, the protection of the surface of the metal it is primary object to control corrosion. The following methods are used to control the corrosion. Number 1, protective coatings. Number 2, cathodic protection. It is essential to control the corrosion because metals are heavy loss, but it is not possible prevention of corrosion, but it can be minimized. These two methods, protective coating or cathodic protection. The corrosion process is surface property. The surface of the metal primary control. Protective coatings. A cathode surface isolates underlying metal from the corrosion environment and hence prevents the corrosion. There are three types of protective coatings. They are number 1, metallic coatings, number 2, organic coatings, number 2, inorganic coatings, number 3, organic coatings. Metallic coatings are further divided into two types. They are anodic coating. This type of coating produced by covering base metal with an anodic metal, that is a more reactive metal. The anodic metal protects the underlying base metal sacrificially. The base metal is not corrected, even a porous developed in the surface of coating. The covering metal undergoes corrosion. Example, zinc coating on iron galvanization. In anodic coating, the metal which is occupy the higher position in electrochemical series, the metal act as anode, the lower metal is act as cathode, because this is called anodic coating. In this example, zinc is anode and it occupy the higher position in electrochemical series. Iron is cathode, it occupy the lower position or next position of zinc, because this act as cathode. Next, cathodic coating. It is obtained by coating of metals with a noble or less reactive metal. They protect the base metal because of higher corrosion resistance. If cracks or pores developed in coating, the metal coats. Example, coating of tin on iron, tinning. In cathodic coating, the metal tin used layer of iron. The tin does not react in atmosphere, impurities or soil, because it is protect the iron. It acts as cathode because this is called cathodic protection. It contains less reactivity. It occupies the lower position in electrochemical series because this is cathodic coating. Inorganic coatings. These are mainly three types. They are phosphate coating. It can be produced by dipping the base metal in the solution formed from phosphoric acid and phosphates of zinc and ferrous or manganese or iron. It is useful for metals like iron, steel, zinc. The phosphoric acid or base metal solution to mixture zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, manganese sulfate. This paste material applied for metals like iron, steel and zinc. This is called phosphate coating. Chromate coating. It can be produced by dipping the base metal in a bath of acidic potassium chromate and the neutral chromate solution. This potassium chromate or neutral chromate solution to mixed with zinc, aluminum or magnesium. This converted zinc chromate, aluminum chromate or magnesium chromate. This is material used for layer applying for the metals protection of zinc, aluminum, magnesium or cadmium. Oxide coating. It is obtained by the chemical reaction of base metal with alkaline oxidizing solution. They serve as base primordial coatings of oils, greases and waxes. This is more usable and in real life the vehicles or automobile parts are used to protect the corrosion, oils, greases and waxes. Organic coatings. The organic compounds like plastics, polythene, PVC, etc., paints, varnishes, liquids, and enamels are applied on metal objects for corrosion protection and decoration purpose. Plastics are effective protective coating under severe conditions like seawater and industrial atmosphere. Seawater containing salt concentration and industrial atmosphere containing more number of gases released into industries because these type of coatings like paints, varnishes, liquids, enamels, these are more protected from the corrosion. Paint. Paint is defined as mechanical dispersion, mixture of one or more pigments in a medium or vehicle. Constituents of paint. Pigment. It is a solid material present in a paint which provides color, strength, tenacity and moisture resistant. These paints and pigments are more useful to real life to protect the corrosion in houses and automobile parts and machinery parts, different types of industries. Example, pigment zinc oxide, this containing color white, PbO4 red color, Cr2O3 green color. Vehicle or drying oil. It is film forming component of the paint. It takes oxygen from air and dries up to form hard layers. Linseed oil or soybean oil. This type of oils use to protect the corrosion. Then next thinner. It helps in reducing viscosity, increasing of elasticity and penetration of paint. Kerosene or turpentine oil. Dryer. It is oxygen carrier catalyst. It accelerates the drying quality of the oil film. Lanolates, resonates of cobalt, manganese, zinc. Fillers. These are added to the paint in order to increase durability and covering power of the oil, film, silica, gypsum. These type of protective materials to control the corrosion does not possible to total controlling of corrosion but minimized of corrosion. Different types of coatings, for example anodic coating. In this anodic coating used used anodic metal. This anodic metal in higher position electrochemical series, the metals two are connected the form of composition cell. Zinc and iron. Zinc act as anode and iron act as cathode because the zinc more reactive because it undergoes corrosion. Then next cathodic coating. In cathodic coating, one metal or two metals are act as cathode. The cathodic metal does not easily undergoes to the corrosion because this is protect to the iron. This is called thinning. Then next phosphate coating. In phosphate coating, the materials are used phosphoric acid and phosphates. These two types of chemicals to apply the different types of metals, iron, steel, and zinc, manganese. Then next chromate coating. This is also two types of chemicals, acidic potassium chromate and neutral chromate solution. These two solutions are applied for zinc, aluminium, magnesium, cadmium and oxide coating. Oxide coating also one of the chemical reaction of base metal. For example, oils, greases and waxes. These type of coating they used in real life. Organic coatings in mainly plastics. The plastics applied iron materials. It does not undergoes to the corrosion. Then next paint is defined mechanical dispersion of one or more pigments. Two types of pigments mixing the paint are formed. In real life different types of colors of paints are used. Then pigments also used. The vehicle or drying oil, thinners and dryers and fillers. These are used in different types of industries and vehicles and machinery parts. Okay, in this class, definition of corrosion. In this corrosion, more loss of metals. Different types of factors influence the rate of corrosion. The 7 or 8 and factors present in corrosion. In examination, define corrosion and write any 5 factors of corrosion. Then next how to prevent the corrosion. Write the protective coatings. Protective coatings containing three types. One is the metallic coating, second one inorganic coatings, third one organic coatings. Then next cathodic protection. This is one type of protection. This is used long term operations like ocean water and oil, petrol, diesel supply to one country to another country or one area to another area. Cathodic protection. In this method, the metal to be protected from corrosion is made cathode by connecting it with another active metal is protected from corrosion as cathode. Hence, corrosion of a metal is prevented. This can be done by following two methods. One is sacrificial anode process. The metallic structure to be protected from corrosion is made by cathode connecting it with another more active metal. This more active metal acts as anode and undergoes corrosion. This active metal is known as sacrificial anode. The more active metal occupy the higher position in electrochemical series. It acts as anode and it sacrifices its life because this is called sacrificial anode process. Example, underground iron pipelines are protected from corrosion by connecting them with a more active metal like magnesium. In this case, magnesium acts as sacrificial anode and undergoes corrosion. The iron pipes become the cathode, thus magnesium is sacrificed in the protection of iron pipes. In this diagram, the anode coils act as magnesium and a white color pipe act as iron pipe. This magnesium coils protected iron pipe. Then next galvanization. The coating of zinc on iron is called galvanization. In this case, zinc coating act as sacrificial anode and cords to protect iron. This method is used in the protection of buried pipelines, underground cables, marine structures, water tanks, etc. Impressed voltage process. In this method, an impressed current is applied to nullify the corrosion current and converting the cording metal from anode to cathode. The impressed current is derived from a battery using graphite as anode. In this method, for the prevention of corrosion, electrons are supplied from an external cell so that the metallic object becomes cathode and protected from corrosion. This kind of protection technique is particularly useful for large structures for long-term operations. This process is used to open water box coolers, water tanks, condensers, transmission line towers, etc. In this topic, asking the questions, explain sacrificial anode process with example. Then next, explain impressed voltage process. These two methods are used in long term operations.